Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, April 17, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you'll see that the futures have been steadily rising from around 7 o'clock in the morning. They're currently trading up about $3.75 right now to $23.3125 per contract. So all in all, futures are getting a little bit of a pop ahead of the opening bell. We'll see how it trades out today. Markets last week were very, very turbulent. Now you have a couple of key events this week taking place. First one is going to be on Friday. You're going to have options expiration. And then today after the closing bell, you really have earnings season kicking off. And again, there are going to be lots of stocks moving around here. But all in all, today the futures are trading higher, and we just want to leave it at that for the moment. So we'll see how it all plays out going forward. But right now, futures are getting a bid ahead of the opening bell. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news. Mondays are generally a lighter volume day when it comes to news and earnings. So we'll see what's out here. The first stock we're going to take a look at is Eli Lilly. Looks like they have a drug that's being denied for approval for arthritis. And the stock is getting hit this morning. Looks like another company is in tandem with them, a partner. Looks like that drug did not go through, a rheumatoid arthritis drug, not getting approval, and you are seeing a pretty good little sell-off in Eli Lilly this morning. Stock right now trading at 81.31, closed at 85.88. I'm going to try to have levels ready for us for Eli Lilly. Right now, around this 81 level, you have a little bit of support, but I will have other levels for us ready to go in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 o'clock. So again, we will look to play Eli Lilly. Another stock in sympathy, or I should say in tandem with Eli Lilly, is Insight. Looks like they're getting hit as well. Stock closed at $140.77. It is now trading at $126. So I'll try to have some levels for this one as well, but this is a much lighter volume stock. Some days this trades 2 million shares, other days it trades 700,000 shares, so it's a little bit tougher. But Insight is getting hit today as well, and I'll try to get some levels worked out for that stock as well, and I'll try to have those posted. But I will definitely have Eli Lilly's ready by 9 a.m. in the intraday stock chat room. All right, let's shift gears here. Let's take a look at JB Hunt. Looks like they had earnings reported this morning. Stock right now is trading at $89.20. Closed at $89.14 on Friday. So all in all, JB Hunt trading down, I should say really trading flat ahead of the opening bell. Now, if by some chance this stock does sell off, keep the $83.80 level on the radar. That's the only level I'm seeing if it does sell off. Other than that, I don't think it really does all that much. Still above its daily chart 200-day moving average, and you can see that right here. So that level is still holding right now. But if we crack and we start to see some real selling, 83.80 is a buy level today for that stock. So keep that on the radar, and we'll see how it all plays out going forward. Next up, we want to take a look at STZ, which is Constellation Brands. What you're going to see here, the stock is gapping up to 172. No volume behind that. It looks like there is an upgrade there. I think it's by Goldman Sachs, but I'm not 100% sure. I did check it out this morning. So again, we'll see how that plays out. But if you do own Constellation, just put a trailing stop in there. The stock's had a real good move last week, and it's really just basing sideways, but holding up real well. So again, we'll see how that plays out. Looks like we have Walmart today in the running to buy an online retailer. So again, looks like Bonobos, which is I believe a men's retail site. Looks like Walmart is in advanced talks to buy that company. Stock right now is trading at $73.05, closed at $73.15. So again, no real change there, but it could affect Walmart stock today. We'll look at Walmart once the opening bell rings. General Motors, news out on that is that they are going to invest $14 million in a San Francisco facility to work on driverless cars. Stock right now is trading at $33.48, closed at $33.39. So again, General Motors getting a little bit of an uptick. I'm still in the camp that if General Motors gets down to around 32, that's the buy level there. So let's keep that one on the radar. Let's take a look at MGI, which is MoneyGram. It looks like Alibaba has improved a takeover bid for the company. Stock getting a big bid today, closed at $16.51, now trading at $17.82. So if you own MoneyGram, you trail your stop loss. If you don't own it here, can't really chase it up here at these levels. So we'll see how it plays out. But again, that's all I'm seeing for that stock. Let's take a look at HCA. It looks like they had downward guidance today. Stock closed at $87.72. It is now trading at $86. Make that $85.63. A level for this one is a little bit tough. I am seeing some support around the $84 area, more around the lines of $81.50. So you got two levels there. I'll try to work out more levels by the time the opening bell rings. So I'm going to look at HCA a little bit closer after we're done with this video. Next up, we're going to take a look at the gold market. Gold market today trading down just 40 cents to $1,288 an ounce. Gold was on fire last week. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, though, it's trading down a little bit around 122.40, closed at 122.60. So no big down move in gold. Gold is basically flat today. You have crude oil today trading lower by just 6 cents itself. So crude just down about 6 pennies to $53.14 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, that's trading around $11.15. It closed at $11.13 on Friday. All right, there you have it. A little bit of a quieter Monday, but remember, earnings season kicks off tomorrow, and we're going to have lots of stocks to talk about each and every morning. We'll get lots of morning gap plays. So if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll get all of our trades there, and you'll also get the trade right alongside of us. We're going to get lots of action as earnings season kicks in, and it really begins tonight after the closing bell. Real quick, just one other reminder. I believe all of the European markets are closed today, so volume has a tendency to be a little bit on the lighter side. Anytime you come back from a holiday, that is the tendency, and other countries are still celebrating the holiday as well. So we'll see how it plays out today. We'll see what this market gives us, but earnings season really gets underway tonight after the closing bell. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.